Hi there, my name is Ben Sanderson and I'm just going to walk you through some of the benefits of using rewordify.com in your classroom. One of the benefits of Rewordify is that when you go to a website or a web page, you can copy the text and paste it into Rewordify. And when you click Rewordify text, it rewords the text so that the complex vocabulary is actually explained. So the word contend here, you can see in the original text, has been translated or changed to deal with, and it highlights it to let you know. And when you hover over, as you can see with the question mark, you can see the original text. So here you can see that it's again changed it from adapted down the bottom here to changed, and it also gives some extra detail. The other thing that Rewordify can do is it can look at parts of speech in not just texts from websites but from students' work. So here's an example of some students' work, and if this student was to look at their piece of writing again, just as they're editing, paste it into Rewordify. What it can do is it will obviously reword the text, but up here as part of the menu we can look at the parts of speech. So if you were focusing on a particular part of speech, say adjectives, you could isolate the adjectives in their text, and you might say, look, you might need to add some more. Perhaps it's adverbs that you're looking at. Again, you could say, I really like the way that you've included these particular adjectives. Perhaps you could try and find some more. And it's also a way of teaching grammar as well, and you can do that with student text or text from a website. One of the other great functions of Screencastify is that you can create resources based on the text that you're rewording. So if we put in the rainforest text that I had originally, I can go up here to print learning activities, and it will give me a series of activities based on the reworded text. Let's just reword that. Okay, and then if I go to print/learning activities, I can find a close procedure that uses the vocabulary that's been highlighted in the text. Obviously it gives you the close. We could create a word bank quiz. So there's plenty of activities that you can do with the students once you've reworded your text around the vocabulary that's been reworded. So you can have vocabulary lists as like a word bank that they could then later use in their writing and so on. So a really handy website, rewordify.com. Check it out and use it in your class.